Alright, this is the recap for Friday, November 7th. Today was a complete roller coaster. I was down about 600 each on both my top steps, and I was down 600 on one trade evade account and 700 on the other. And I ended up coming back on a later trade, which I technically shouldn't have taken, but a lot of trades. Green on the week, and green on the week for these also. This one, I'm contacting support. I think they're going to give me a reset. I don't know what happened. It's on their part. I did not do that. So, and I'm being dead fucking serious. So, let's get into this recap. It was like I couldn't close a trade. I'm pretty sure they're giving me a reset. They'll let me know in like 45 minutes or something, or an hour or something. I don't know. But and if they don't give me a reset, I'm not ever gonna buy accounts from them again, because that's just shitty of them. So this morning, first things first. We had at market open, we actually had an SMT at this hourly low. ES had already taken that out. And then, hold on, I gotta get this off here. And then we also had this low right here, which was an internal low on the 15-minute time frame. This was an internal low on the hourly. So I marked out this SMT, and I kind of wanted to be bullish today, just because of this SMT, and just a rebalance, kind of. I mean, at least a little bit. But we didn't end up getting that. There was a pre-market long that I took. It was right here. We came into this 5-minute, and we had a good leg up, inversing, I believe it was a 2-minute. Had like a tight stop, just targeting the equal highs. And what the fuck? And this, I think it was a 5-minute intermediate high, but that's that. Huge leg down off of market open. No trades from here. I was actually looking to long out of this, sweeping this sell side and getting an inverse to the upside. Never happened. Then I'm just kind of still waiting for a long. We end up sweeping, I believe it is this low on ES. Yeah, so we end up sweeping this low on ES, which was a 15-minute and hourly intermediate low. So I'm like, okay, sweet, SMT at an intermediate low. Let's long this. I got in off of this 30-second. I really like this trade, actually, really, really like this. Got in off this 30-second. Had my stop at the low. And I was initially targeting this high, which was a 2-minute, or just a 1-minute, I guess. Good draw, quick and easy trade. ES ended up tagging this high first. And I can stop to break even, and price does run to a 1-to-1, which kind of sucks, because I would have probably partialed there, take profit. But anyways, from here we're just generating low resistance liquidity at these lows. Like, okay, I'm not gonna long here. I'm gonna wait for this sell side to get taken. Wait for a resweep. No reason to get in again. So waiting. We end up coming into a 15-minute. Actually, wait. This happens first. We had 10 a.m. news here also. So this was a data high. This actually really pissed me off today. And then this was the 15-minute that we made. Yes, never took it. Neither did NQ. We end up sweeping the sell side. Still holding this external SMT. Yes, also swept the sell side. And this was technically, you could consider this a 15-minute intermediate low that we made. So we reswept that. And then we made a 3-minute right there. And also this 1 minute. And it's so irritating. I was like, all right, perfect. I'm going to take this. It's going to close on this gap. Awesome. Perfect draw on liquidity. Literally perfect. Stop at the SMT low. Break even here. Target these highs. We end up not closing. Get a huge candle up. And then the 5-minute opens right here. So we tagged into my break even point, and we are currently inside of a 5-minute. So that idea was scratched. We barely missed this 15-minute. I think we missed it by a tick short, but I would have taken profit once ES took that high out. From there, I really wasn't looking for a trade anymore. I did want this. I should have taken it. I kind of overtraded today. We inversed this 5-minute. I was like, okay, I don't care. We have almost exact equal highs up here. And I took this 1 minute inverse. This 1 minute inverse stop was at this candle low. I wouldn't break even at these highs and target a 1-to-1. And then, 1 second. I was getting a phone call. From there, we continue to dump. We finally take out this sell side. We keep continuing to go lower. I'm just going to skip to it, to current price action. We sweep out this low, same as ES. I don't believe there's an SMT anymore. Yeah, no more SMTs. We get a inverse on this 5-minute. I entered here. Bro. Stop was at actually this body low. And I was aiming towards this 15-minute. And believe it or not, that's how I made all my money back. So, I believe it was 1 minute chart, I think it was right here. So, I did end up making, or no, yeah, that's what it was, yeah. It was this. I didn't even go break even or anything, I just held the whole thing, so that was my day. And I also added, since it didn't go break even, I added when we inversed this leg right here too. This 1 minute tagged into this lower 5-minute and then continued to go higher. We're still pumping up right now. So that was today and this week. So kind of a weird day. Took around like four trades or something. So it was kind of ridiculous, but